everybody, it's Lori at Pizazz Studios. Thank you and welcome back to my channel. I'm happy you're here with me. The video I'm about to show you is one of my flowers that I painted, and I wanted to show you what I did with it because after this painting that you're gonna watch the video, see how I painted it. It's on a 5x7 canvas. However, after it dried, it got really funky on me. Something happened with the white paint, the base paint, all around the edge of the canvas was really weird. I don't know what happened. I think it was, maybe it was old paint that I used. I've had it quite a while, and I have since bought new paint. I couldn't save the canvas. I felt like it wasn't gonna be very pretty. And so what I did is I did actually save the flower part. So I wanna show you what I did with it. I think you're really gonna like this. It came out really pretty. So let me just show you what I did with it. All right, here we go. So this is what I did. The flower in the painting came out absolutely gorgeous, and I absolutely loved it. If I can get my phone to focus for us. The paint around it was really weird. So I cut out the flower from the canvas and I saved it. And then I went ahead and made this beautiful piece of artwork from that flower. So I applied it to a canvas panel, and I also embellished it further with the words "bloom where you're planted" in a butterfly, one of my traditional, embellished pours. These have sold very well for me, and I absolutely adore it. I think it's so pretty. This isn't a gold frame. It's a really pretty frame. This is a 5x7. I love the flower. It's so pretty. So this is available on the website. Pizazzstudios.com is where you'll find it if you're interested. But I wanted to show you what I did with it, and enjoy your video. Thank you so much for being with me. I appreciate you as always, and have a great day now.